Welcome back to my channel, and today I've got wind deflectors here for this Toyota Avensis of mine, T27 D4D. But yes, they're lovely looking and I can't wait to get them on the car. Seem to be coming from Poland, which is a good thing, keeping in the European Union and support Polish. Support Poland, so that's a good thing to do. So they look pretty simple here. We just have it says here the set contains 4 pieces of clips. Please install them according to instructions, 2 pieces per side. To check video, visit the site, and then there's a website there, and it's .pl as well. So this is great. So I'm looking forward to getting these in here now, and seeing how they look on the car, because it should go really nice with the silver, like so. And they're really simple as well. This is very simple stuff, and it improves the car, and that's definitely what I want to do. So let's get stuck in. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment, why not? And yes, let's go. Right, so get the front one in here now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this stick here just to make sure there's nothing in there. There's no sort of rubbish or debris or anything like that in now. So this is quite simple to put in. You remove the stickers right in that area. There's a couple of stickers. There's one here and there's one here. Fits in like this. So you get it in here. Now you have to be careful with the rubbers on the outside rubbers here, just to make sure you get them on top of it. So it's down there like so. And there we go. Perfect. Lovely fit. Absolutely lovely. They're nice to use the clips here. So first in like so. Come on. Second one. Let's keep put it up here too. Just put it straight up here. Doesn't really matter how you can do it both ways. There we go. Simple as that. Let's drop the window. Perfect. Job done. Simple as that. This one, I've done this one here. Yeah. That looks really nice. Lovely. So that's them done now. So really simple. Back one's looking good too. So right, same thing here. Just clean it out here. Just make sure there's no any sort of debris in here or any sort of obstruction. Nothing there. Good job. Here we have the next one. So same thing again. Remove the sticky paper off it. So that's the first one. Two. That's it. Just tear them off. But this one is this. Actually have it behind the rubber. Yeah. And then you slide it up. Nice job. This is put the clip in. That looks lovely, isn't it? Really nice. So, oops. Same thing as the other side. Two on each side. We're gonna get these in here now, this way. That's the first one. Same thing, push it in like so. That's it. In you go like so. That's the second one. Wind up the window. Just to be sure, There we go. That's perfect down there. That's it, simple as that. I think it's the car a lovely look. As you can see from this angle here now. That's beautiful, that is. We got the other side here done as well. On this one. So really nice. I'm happy with these. These cost €57. If there's one more to do, these cost €57 and 10% off, brought it 55. Then with postage brought back up to 57. But absolutely beautiful. I'm really happy with this job, and it's definitely something that will give your car a nice look. I think it goes well with the silver. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Really simple to install, and you know, pleasure doing the videos. I like doing these videos, showing people how to install these things on their cars. But anyway, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, leave a comment, and have a good day. Take care of you.